Hey friends, I'm so excited that you have registered for Marketing Roadmap Workshop Week. That's right. Over the course of 5 days, I'm going to share with you some amazing content that you can actually input and implement into your business right away, right? I mean, what is the point of coming to webinars, watching free stuff, if you're not implementing it in your business immediately? And I know for so many of you, that's exactly what you need. You need to know where to start in your marketing, and that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. So this decision that you have made to register, perfect. Awesome. Congratulations. High five. You're on the road to becoming a marketing rock star. That's right. And this free workshop is going to give you the traction that you need to get unstuck in your marketing, decrease that overwhelm, and actually get some momentum going. You know, I shared with you that you're going to learn a number of things, but perhaps one of the most important things for you to learn and the takeaway is something that the gurus aren't really telling you. That's right. The gurus, those people who make you see them out there, they're making millions all the time, right? And you're wondering, I wonder why. And they're sharing with you tactics, right? They're sharing with you tactics to implement. But the truth of the matter is, it's all about strategy. Success comes from strategy, and you're going to get that in this free workshop. So here's your steps that you need to remember, right? Number one, go to the Facebook group. Make sure you've joined. That is Shift Your Biz. Number two, download the workbook so that you have it ready. Number three, be sure to go to your calendar and put in the 5 days that we have every day at 4 p.m. I'm going to go live in that Facebook group, right? And if you want to do some work in between, go to the Facebook group, and there's tons of free videos and trainings right there already that you can take part in. So amazing. Thanks so much for registering, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday at 4 p.m. Ciao.